Stop it!
We're getting close. Stay ready.
Got it. Let's keep our eyes sharp.
Careful. Watch the tilt.
Got it. Follow the light.
These symbols, they're trying to tell us something.
I see a path. Follow the light.
Hold on! Platform coming!
Follow my colors. They lead out.
Stay close. Whatever's inside is powerful.
I'm ready. Let's do this together.
It's not attacking. Maybe it's scared.
We should be careful, but ready.
Easy. We're not here to hurt you.
Stay calm, Bao. Let's watch its moves.
Watch the shards.
Follow the light. I have a path.
Jump there. The green glow is safe. Got it. I'm okay.
Did you see that?
Easy. Watch how it moves.
Bao. I think the problem isn't the monster. Then what is it? Bao! Hold it steady. I've got you. It remembers. So it was trying to protect, not fight. Nice and easy. We are doing this together.
Left, now.
Perfect. Keep going. Keep going. Hey, it's copying us. Good. Let's move together. Together. Yeah, we've got this.
Slow, like breathing.
Yes. Let it follow. It's listening now.
Then, maybe it was scared, like us.
It's a signal, not a warning.
Then it wanted help all along.
You're not alone.
We're here with you. That's where the power went.
We can help it breathe again.
It kept it safe.
It was protecting the city the only way it knew how.
Easy, we're with you.
Let's slow everything down.
It wasn't attacking, it was protecting.
Show us. It's okay. It saved everyone.
And then, everyone thought it was the danger. If we make the energy breathe, it can let go.
Slow. Together to obey, so it won't hurt anyone.
Good, just like breathing. Follow us, not the fear. It's panicking! It's panicking!
Stay with me, slow it, slow it!
You were left behind!
It thinks letting go means losing everything again.
You were left behind!
It thinks letting go means losing everything again. You don't have to hold it all yourself anymore.
We're here with you.
See? It's listening. That's it. Breathe with us.
Let it breathe.
See? It doesn't leave you. It just spreads. Look! The island's waking up again.
It remembers how to shine.
Hey, friend.
See you in the reflections.